Okay, ready?
Once
Upon
a
history book
there
was
a
little
lizard
named
Lionel.
and
Lionel
loved
Lisa.
because
Lisa
was
sexy.
and
She
had
a
big
JJ
and
lizard
have
two
vajayjays. Continue.
so
She
made
loved
two
what's the guy's name?
Lionel
Lilo.
and
They
had
mm,
a
good
threesome with
Lizzie's cousin.
Lizzie.